Hey traders, it's Hima here, and I've got chart of the week looking at the VIX, which is at a key juncture. Today's Thursday, September 10th, 2020. Before we look at the charts, important reminder that trading and investing can be extremely risky business. Therefore, it's your responsibility to evaluate any information, opinion, advice, or other content contained in this video. So here we've got the VIX on a daily chart, each candle representing 1 day of price action. And if you're newer to trading, the VIX represents the volatility of the market. Okay, the amount of fear that's driving traders' actions and therefore the price moves. Now, here at the HimaReddy tribe, we look at the momentum, timing, and price trifecta, right? So I want to look at all three of these in action on the VIX. So the purple line intersecting with the other purple line right here represents a forecast I had on the VIX. So once it started surging up, I had a forecast that I was watching internally for it to reach 4188 by September 3rd. Now, what it did do was reach 38.28 by September 4th and then cap out. So the cool thing was that my forecast was just 1 day early, so I could be ready for a high to form the VIX. Then I looked at where that high actually formed. And while it fell shy of the forecast price target, it came very close to 39.36, which is another key level derived from price bars themselves. I get in detail on that in the 4 zones RSI coverage system. So with this zone of resistance, okay, a zone is 2 levels of resistance at the minimum, now being backed away from by the VIX, I've been looking at the latest price action, which has now coincided with a momentum signal, a disconnect between price and momentum that suggests more downside on the VIX, which in turn would mean more upside in the broader market. But I think it's too soon to tell. I think we're at a key juncture because the way that the VIX is behaving near 2709, another key level I'm monitoring, it's not quite sure that it wants to pound down through that level yet. And I want to see that. I want to see a daily closing break below 2709 on the VIX before getting, excited again about the broader market going higher. This is actually corresponding very well with what I saw on the ES report for the skinny on the ES this morning as part of the Skinny in the Market service. So all of these pieces coming together give me a very clear plan of action for how to take what's going on in the VIX and translate it over to other markets. I want you to keep an eye on these same levels and do your own analysis. If you've got the loss forecasting trading system or 4 zones RSI coverage system, do your own analysis to see if you can replicate my analysis that I've created here, which is from the same tools that you have. Again, key juncture on the VIX, 2709 is the key level, and let's see if it can push below it, which would be good news for the market. And another reminder that monthly group coaching live is next week on Wednesday, I believe that's September 15th. I'm going to look at my calendar and make sure. Oh, actually, that's September 16th. There we go. And so I'll see members there. All right, catch you on the inside. You can sign up at HimaReddy.com/gift to get my hot, timely, actionable updates as soon as I publish right to your inbox.